Hey guys, welcome. Hope you are doing well. Today's video is in partnership with S Deer, a brand which has gained quite a bit of popularity on social media. And so when their team reached out to me, I was quite a bit excited. I will be honest. So today I have quite a few pieces laid out here. I will be trying on each of the piece and sharing my honest thought. Starting off strong with this matching set. You guys know how much I love a good matching set. And this is giving. I absolutely love this set. Look at the color. I mean, it is a steel gray sort of a color. I don't know what is the exact term for this color, but absolutely love it. It requires a little bit of a steaming, so excuse me for that. But look at the top detail, you guys. It has a cinch-in waist and it comes with its own belt, but of course you can always swap out the belt for your own preferred belt. Either ways, I love the fact it has a little bit of a sort of pleating details here. Love it. And the buttons, I put it all the way till the top, but I guess you can leave this open or whatever. You can wear like a chunky piece of jewelry. I love it. Absolutely love it. Look at the flowy pants. Like it is a wide leg, sort of a palazzo style, I want to say. Really beautiful. And the sheen on this outfit is to the next level. It is giving me luxe. That's the word that I was looking for at the time. So yes, absolutely beautiful. And you guys know that I love matching sets because literally I can style the bottom with a different sort of a top and the top with a different bottom. The styling options are endless, but nonetheless I absolutely love it. Also love the sleeve detail here. As for sizing, I went with a size medium both for the top and the bottom. And yeah guys, it's a beautiful set. Like, I feel like I found my Thanksgiving outfit. It is so beautiful. The back, and yeah, I'm just styling it with some strappy sandals, but yeah, love it. And before I forget, with Black Friday coming in, SDR has some amazing deals. So I will have all of that information pop on the screen as well as leave them down below in my description box. So don't forget to check it out. And now let's move on to the rest of the pieces. Let's get going. Next up, we have this very sort of lightweight jumper. I love the fact that one side is a solid black and the other side has this checkered print, and you can see it has this sort of bat wings and you can see the detail here. So it has sort of a V sort of a detail, and also it's asymmetric. It is pretty long on me, and I will tell you that I love my knitwear to be a little bit on the baggier side. So I went with a size large. So if you feel that this is a little too long on my frame, you can size down, go for a medium or even a small. It'll still be baggy, I think, because the way it's cut, like you can see it has this baggy sort of bat wingy style. So it'll still be baggy, but the length will most likely get short. But either ways, I love the fact that I can style it with some leggings and give it sort of a sporty look, throw on some sneakers. Here I'm styling with these black jeans which have a little bit of a flare, and these kitten heels. But yeah, either ways, you cannot go wrong with it. And it is also high neck, so sometimes I like to just leave my high necks this way, sometimes I like to roll it down. But yeah, love the fact it's a very versatile style. And because I work from home most of the days, I like pieces like this, which are a little bit on the loose side, and I can just pair them with some leggings, be comfortable, but yet look very chic and stylish. Now, this next piece is very minimal, very basic. There is nothing groundbreaking in it, but there is something about these sort of basic pieces, like literally, no matter how many you have in your closet, you want to add more, right? Like now this color, this was a color that was lacking in my closet. So when I saw SDR had it, I had to try it out and I had to test it out for you guys. I will say that it's very, very thin and it's not at all irritating in my skin. Now, I do not have a very sensitive skin, so that is something that you have to test it out. This is not made of cashmere, but it just feels very soft and it's nice to the skin. I do not, like I said, I do not feel any itchiness. So it's just a good basic to have, it's just a good basic layering piece, and I'm very happy with it. As for sizing, I went with a size medium, I think. I can't remember, but I will have the sizes of each of the pieces listed here so you guys know what size I went with. Yeah, and this is the fit. I Yeah, there is nothing more for me to add for this piece. Literally, it's a must have. This next piece, I mean, this is the piece that I did a test drive with. This is something that I like to do with every new brand that I work with. I like to wear at least one of the piece for the entire day, see how I feel about it, what is the material like. And yeah, I mean, this is a very, very simple and sort of a basic piece. There is nothing groundbreaking as far as the style. The color is very simple, very, very neutral, something, a piece that I can wear at home and also very confidently walk out of the house when there is a need. And I love the little details that each of the pieces have. Like for instance, this one, it is a high-low kind of a cut, which I love. As for sizing, I think I went with the size medium. I can't remember. I'll pop it on the screen here. But yeah, it is a high neck. I did roll it down because, when you are inside the house, you don't really need a high neck. But yeah, I love that detail. And yeah, very simple. Love the color and the ribbed detail. And yeah, very, very comfortable. Next up, we have a jacket, but I will say that this is sort of a knit material jacket. You can see the ribbing detail here. And yes, it is in a gray color. So apparently I'm loving gray. And also the bat wing sort of style. I don't know. This is very fun and sort of new for me because I don't really have anything in this style, in this sort of a cut. And size wise, I literally, before I put it on, I checked the size. I got it in a size large, and yeah, I think it fits me pretty nicely. So I think I made the right choice as far as the sizing goes. It is a little bit baggy, but I believe it should be on the baggy side. You guys tell me, what do you think about this jacket, sweater? I don't know what to call it, but I really liked the detail that it has on the arms. And yeah, it's just a fun little jacket. You can throw it on to do like a school drop off pickup. And I literally paired it with the jumper that I had from the previous clip. So I wanted to show you that this piece and this piece, they literally go so well together with each other. You can zip it up or not zip it up, whatever sort of works for you. Yeah, but I am actually very impressed with the style of this piece. And because I have this layer underneath, it is actually keeping me very nice and toasty. I'm not at all feeling cold. And today is a very, very gloomy and a very, very cold day. I will tell you this much. The temperature is 36, 37 degree Fahrenheit, which sort of translates to 2 degree centigrade. Yeah, so it is a very, very cold day today. I mean, yes, of course, I'm inside my house, so I'm not feeling as cold, but still, it's keeping me nice and toasty. This next piece is a very, very fashion forward sort of a jacket. It's a very light jacket. I will not even term it as a jacket, but it just gives the appeal or look of a jacket. And this is not going to stop you or protect you from like the cold winds or anything. It's a very fall appropriate jacket, and also depending upon where you live, you can only wear it during the very early fall season. So for me, yeah, it's a little bit late in the game because now the temperature has dropped quite a bit. But of course, there are days when it's not very cold. Maybe on those days, I can take it out for a ride. But other than that, it is made of a cloth, very, very stylish. I will say that. It also has a hood, and you can see that it's very sort of baggy, very fashion forward kind of a style. It has these ties at the sleeves, so you can literally tie it and make it a little bit tight and just cinch it somewhere here. I don't know, I will have to play around with it and see how it looks, but in general, I'm actually loving it. And I will tell you that I cinched it here. So it also came with the tie. So there you go. I tied it so that it gives this appeal. Otherwise, it's not going to mean anything. Like when you just see it like this, it's just like this. Oh, actually, I think I like it like this too. Oh, interesting. Ooh, I actually like it like this too. So, okay, now the sleeves. Yeah, the sleeves, I don't like it like this. So for the sleeves, most likely I'll have to tie it up here. But this one, guys, I actually just learned that I also like it like this. And the pockets are real pockets. So, oh, love it. It's more of a windbreaker or wind cheater sort of a thing. But like I said, depending upon where you live, it could be a fall jacket. It could actually be a summer jacket too. Or if you have very mild winter, you can actually um style it or team it with a very sort of this sort of jumper underneath so that you don't feel that cold, and yeah, just have a very stylish jacket. Size wise, I went with a size large, and yeah, I think the large works for me. I love the fact that you can wear this jacket in two different styles, so you can just leave it, and it's an interesting and very fun way to style it. You can also cinch it up, and yeah, that way is also it looks very, very nice and chic. I will have to say that this last piece I is unfortunately a miss because yeah, even without trying it, I can literally say that this is mega, mega big on me. Like literally, look at the size of this vest. Now, all the other pieces that I got are in a size large and they were perfectly on my frame. And this one, I went with a size large, like the other pieces. And guys, this if you are interested in this sort of down jacket vest, I will say stick to your normal size. So maybe I should have sized down to a medium or something. That would have been a better, or maybe a small even. So yeah, so this is how the large fits on me. It's really, really big, but I will say that it doesn't look odd. What do you guys think? I mean, it's really big on me, but you think I can still pull it off? Yeah, I mean, it doesn't look bad. I don't know what I was thinking before I put it on. I mean, just by looking at it, it felt like really, really big. But I think the large totally works. I mean, I should have sized down in this one and gone with a medium. It would have been a better fit. But the large, yeah, I mean, it works. Yeah, I'm not complaining. I mean, I love it. It is a little bit, it has big armpits, but you know what? If I'm not wearing like a very thin sweater and if I have like a chunky knit, this is going to be very, very comfortable. So, yeah, I take back my words. The large works for me, and yeah, I actually like it. I like it quite a bit. And all of these pieces, like this one and this one, I'm styling with this tight sort of skinny jeans. Not really skinny jeans, it has a little bit of a flare at the bottom, but it would totally work with leggings, you know. So this one and this one, if you are wearing some tights, it's going to work with that as well. So going out, if you are a dog mom, or if you have some pet, taking them out for a walk, just chilling outside, a picnic, whatever it might be, it's going to work. Because with tights, I like to have my tush covered. So yeah, I love the length of this one. It's a little big, but it's growing on me. It's totally growing. And yeah, that's pretty much everything that I got from S Dear. Let me know which one was your favorite piece, and I will be sure to link everything in my description box. And if you have been thinking about trying out pieces from S Dear, this is definitely the best time with Black Friday deals going on. So definitely check out the Black Friday deals in my description box. And thank you so much for stopping by. I love you guys, and I will catch you in my next one. Mwah.